Doc, may bago raw serbisyo ang
Uy,
MWell Health
exciting.
Services platform sa mga miyembro nito, ang Health Hub. Naku, paki-explain nga ito, Doc. Imagine mo, doktor na tapos wizard
Oo nga eh.
pa sa
Galing.
technology, Doc, please.
Opo, bali totoo po ang balita na napulot po ninyo. May bagong feature po kami sa app namin. Ang tawag po namin dito ay Health Hub. Ito po ay isang feature sa platform namin kung saan pwedeng mag-book po ang mga pasyente para sa mga different na health and wellness na services po. So from the app, basically pwede po kayong mag-book or mag-reserve para pagdating po ninyo sa lugar para gawin yung facial ninyo o kung magpapagawa po kayo ng salamin, at least alam na nila, naka-reserve na yung slot na po para sa inyo beforehand.
Galing. Doc, what was the purpose of this Health Hub? Kasi, di ba parang akala naman natin, uy, okay na yung MWell, meron na siyang online platform. Aba, meron pang Health Hub. Dinagdag nyo pa yon.
Yes. Bale, syempre alam naman natin na hindi kami satisfied with ano meron natin.
Grabe. Sininang
push through
siya
with more and more bigger things. So we started initially with teleconsult, syempre, and then later on we added more health and wellness features and features and ano pa ba? Health and wellness and health and services, rather.
Yes,
And then after that, na-realize namin why will we stop with the online when we can actually help also dun sa face-to-face or in-person na transactions po natin. So, kinuha po namin, itong si Health Hub, ito yung medyo transition natin. So, online yung pagpasok, pag-book, pero yung service na makukuha po natin,
Face-to-face.
in-person naman po, face-to-face na.
Oo, galing.
Okay.
Doc, ang ganda pakinggan po ha. Nakakatuwa, talaga nagde-develop, nag-level up. Pero ang tanong ng marami dyan, libre po ba yan? O kung meron man pong bayad, magkano po yung service fee?
May good news po ako sa inyo. Alam po na po siguro ninyo kung ano sasabihin ko, no?
Oo, gusto ko yan.
May sa introductory price namin, no? Ang introductory price namin ay 0.
Wow!
For a certain amount of time. Pero for now, mahaba-haba naman yung introductory price natin na libre. So,
Galing naman.
Marami pong maka-benefit po dito.
Parang ano siguro, so that we can get used to it.
Tama.
Tapos pagka thank you very much. That's really para to invite the members.
Malaking tulong yun ha.
So Doc, paano maaaring mag-consult o gamitin itong Health Hub at sino-sino ba ang mga partner establishments ng MWell, and is it nationwide?
Correct.
Okay. So siguro yung just like with the entire app, no, syempre nationwide po tayo. Ang mga partners po natin ay different facilities here in the country. So hindi lang po sila mga clinics, meron po tayong maternity, meron po tayong rehabilitation, meron tayong skincare, meron tayong eye care. Marami po talaga. So all of them are here in the Philippines, mostly in the Manila at Cebu region for now. But of course, we're hoping na mag-expand din po siya later on.
Galing.
Nakakatuwa naman. But continuously improving. The best talaga si Ninang Shay Cabal
Oo nga,
Revilla.
ay Ninang Shay.
You're right, Adrian pala, no?
Sige, sige, Doc, please.
Early in the month. Pero since our launch, naka-66 na po kami na vendors there.
Wow!
Nakakatuwa naman. Please, Doc, please invite everybody, lahat po ng viewers and listeners po natin sa programa ngayon to try itong Health Hub ng MWell.
Oh yes, surely. So, I would like to invite everyone to try it. So, yung steps po nito ay very simple lang. You just need to go to yung Play Store or Apple Store. Download the app. Siyempre, gawa kayo ng account there. And then, pagpasok po ninyo, may makikita po kayong area doon, nakasulat doon Health Hub. Pag pindot po ninyo ng Health Hub, pasok kayo, hanap kayo ng yung kailangan yung i-avail na services. Then from there, dire-diretso na po siya for booking.
Galing.